Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Solana price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the 1 hour chart here, we are looking at triple 1-2s and then of course 3, 4, 5 in the orange scenario where your wave 4 has finished as a triangle, perfect pattern for a wave 4, and then finishing here as an ending diagonal for your wave 5 possibly, of course. Now we are looking here at a higher high today, but so far it's still a corrective higher high by having an expanding flat here, 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and we are looking for 5 waves down, of course, to finish this correction in the yellow scenario for a wave 4. Now, if in case we still getting higher and higher, we have to move this account to here as a not finished yet, of course, wave 5. And we have to consider this a correction for this 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. In that case, and consider this is not a triangle, we have to consider it as A, B, and a C, or WXY. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, of course, for the wave 1, and then 2, then 3, 4, and a 5. So possibly this could be for Solana, but basically it is too early to call because yeah, we cannot really call it right now because it is, already can be finished already here. Yeah, after this triangle, which is very clear triangle. However, if it is not a triangle and it has transformed this to a WXY and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here for 1, 2, that is a different thing to call here. So it is a little bit tricky here as well with Solana, but still, we might still, in case we get higher prices, therefore definitely we have to move our wave 5 to this place. However, it's not gonna really reach higher because if it gets higher, we're gonna get 4, 5, 4, 5, okay, and then moving towards the downside again for a correction for a wave 4 in the yellow scenario. If we take a look at the 1 hour chart on KGT here, we can see that we start to get some bearish signals, but the volume is increasing, right? We can see it's going up from negative to positive and going higher and higher until reaching a blue zone here, which is kind of like very high volatility for buyers with 2.37%. And of course, we are looking somehow to some red, but we need some information once this candle closes, if we're gonna get a lower or higher volume, of course, on the 1 hour chart. Now, if we look at the 30-minute chart, of course, definitely we're gonna start to see some, I think, negative. Let me collect data. So what we are looking at, if we, in this 30-minute, of course, we already know that this is a very, very positive one. But we need still information here. So let's even go smaller. Collecting data again. So let's see. Okay, here is a little bit clearer. So, well, of course we're gonna still, I mean, it is minus, right? So it's going down, but still need one more 15-minute candle maybe to make sure that the volume is decreasing, right? Because this is just one candle so far. So to be honest, it's not very clear with the volume here. If we take the Solana on the 1 minute chart, the opposite, the other part of KGT, which is on the 1 minute chart, which it shows, of course, the possibilities for the next pattern. Now, what we can see is we don't have any kind of signals yet. It's simply ranging between bullish and bearish. But of course, it says that there are some selling pressure, but there is no signal of selling. Therefore, the last signal was a buy. And that might be still the case, The last signal was given here was a buy, and that might still be the case. So we are still in this buying form, and that's why, and here we go, we got even more buying signals. So so far, guys, I think we're still looking for higher because we are still in a buy signals here, as you can see, double buy signals. and we did not get any sell signal yet. So I think, yeah, we might still get one more high for Solana, possibly. And in that case, of course, if we get one more high, that means definitely we are in a wave 3, 4, 5, of course, starting here. You have bottomed your wave 4 there and 1, 2. However, until we get this price action, of course, sorry, we can move this account to there. However, in both case scenario, if we get a little bit higher, we still need to move to towards the wave 4 in the yellow scenario. So that was it for Solana on the 15-minute chart. Of course, we still, look if this is an impulse. It might be, yes. It might be that this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a 2, and then, yeah, here is not very clear for a 1, 2, right? But it still can be. I mean, internally, it can be, right? Here, we cannot consider wave 4 because interfering with your wave. So, yeah, it should be maybe then as diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If that is the case, that means we are going to see even higher prices if your wave 1 is a diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So yeah, be careful with Solana. It's still ranging. It's still then trying to find a decision whether it's wanna move towards the upside or towards the downside. So yeah, these are the things. An entry point is a little bit risky right now because it's not very, very clear. If it moves, take the high. Therefore, of course, definitely we are moving a little bit higher. And if it continues down, then of course we have finished in 3 waves and we're moving impulsively towards the downside. But however, if that is a diagonal here, 1, 2, 3, okay, I'm still even too early to call because now look, we are ranging in the zone 1 again, if that is a diagonal. So yeah, I cannot consider like 3, 4 now. Of course, that is not accurate as well. We still need some price action. We need some data, but basically I would stick with this 3 ways for now and then moving towards the downside. So that was it for Solana price prediction. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.